Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given four options and we're asked which of the following is an equation of line L as given in the xy plane right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn these into slope-intercept form. That's going to make it easier to see the slope and the y-intercept of these equations. So for A, we have x minus y is equal to -4. So we want to get y is equal to a bunch of different things. So you have subtract x on both sides. These cancel, and we get -y is equal to -x minus 4. And dividing everything by, or we can multiply everything by -1. That's just going to turn all these positive, so we have y is equal to x plus 4. For B, write that up here, we have x minus y is equal to 4. Subtracting x again, these cancel out, we get -y is equal to -x plus 4. Multiplying by -1. -1 times -y is y is equal to -1 times -x is x. -1 times 4 is -4. C, x plus y is equal to -4. So subtracting x from both sides, we get y is equal to -x minus 4. Already all set in slope-intercept form. And then x plus y equals 4. Subtracting x, these cancel, we get y is equal to -x plus 4. So we have our four equations here. We're asked which of these represents the equation of the line. So if you notice, in these four options, they either have a positive slope or a negative slope, and a positive y-intercept or a negative y-intercept. But there's no two that are the same combination of those things, right? There isn't two equations with a positive y-intercept and a positive slope, and so on. So if we look at our line right here, we have a y-intercept down here. So it's below the x-axis, so it's a negative y-intercept. And as x increases, as we're going in this direction, y is decreasing. The value of the function is decreasing. So that's a decreasing function, so the slope is going to be negative. So the slope is negative and the y-intercept is negative. And in only one of these, C, where we have a slope of -1 and a y-intercept of -4, is that the case. So C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.